Guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to make this papaya cream easily at home. So this papaya cream have amazing skin benefit. It moisturizes your dry skin during this winter season. It nourishes your skin deeply, and papaya also have the power to eliminate the pigmentation, dark spots, blemishes and acne scars from your skin as well, because papaya have an enzyme called papain along with the alpha hydroxy acids, which acts as a natural exfoliator and also works an amazing anti-aging treatment. This cream also helps in skin brightening because it contains vitamin A and C, which helps to lighten and brighten your skin complexion and makes it really glowy, bright and even toned. So firstly, let's see what are the ingredients do we need to prepare this papaya cream. So the first ingredient which we need is papaya. Next up we are gonna need honey. After that we are gonna need olive oil. Then we are gonna need vitamin E oil, and if you don't have this oil then you can also use the vitamin E capsules, which are easily available in the market. And the last ingredient which we need is aloe vera gel. So now let's prepare this cream, and to prepare this cream we firstly gonna take a little amount of papaya, and then we have to just remove the seeds from it and then peel it and just cut it into small pieces like this. And then we have to just put all these pieces into a grinding or a mixing jar and then blend it really nicely to make a smooth paste out of it. And after making a smooth papaya paste, now we will strain this paste so that we can take out the fine papaya pulp. And for straining this paste, I'm just using a strainer, but you can also use any cheesecloth or cotton cloth. And after straining this papaya paste really well, your homemade, smooth and really fine papaya pulp is ready, and it will look something like this. And now let's prepare the papaya cream from it. And to prepare this cream, we firstly have to take 2 teaspoons of this papaya pulp in a clean bowl. After that, we'll add 1 teaspoon of honey into it. After the honey, we'll add olive oil, and the quantity which I'm adding is half a teaspoon of olive oil into it. Next up we are adding vitamin E oil, and I'm just adding half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And now after adding all these ingredients, we just have to give a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all combine with each other nicely. And after giving a good mix to all these ingredients, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And you have to add 2 big tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it. And after adding the aloe vera gel, you just have to mix until it forms into a very creamy and a smooth paste. And after mixing all the ingredients really well, your homemade papaya cream is ready, and it will look like this. This cream should be super smooth, fluffy and creamy, just like I'm showing you here. Now I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight container, and you can store this cream in any airtight container for up to 1 month. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this cream and apply it all over your face, neck, or you can even use this cream on your whole body. And after applying this cream, just give a good massage for up to 1 or 2 minutes. after just giving a gentle and a good massage to your skin, you just need to leave this cream onto your skin so that your skin completely absorbs this cream and gives you best results. This cream is supremely moisturizing and hydrating. It just goes deeply into your skin and just makes your skin really bright, glowing and radiant. And it also really effective in just removing all kinds of dark spots, pigmentation, as well as acne scars from your skin, and will just make your skin bright, clear, spotless and crystal clear. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.